my gosh.
Something about Yoshi's Island. Man, Yoshi's Island was a classic too on the Super Nintendo. Yoshi's Island, Donkey Kong Country. Those was my memorable Super Nintendo games. Man, but something about Yoshi's Island. This is got to be good. Oh gosh, what they got? Yep, that's how it come on. Yep. That's messed up, bro. That's messed up.
Unfortunately, Yoshi can't read.
Damn. Oh.
Doing it and doing it and doing it well.
Yeah. Damn.
Open the door, we have your baby.
Yeah. Oh no! Right now. Oh my god! Damn! Fight back! Fight back! There you go! Yeah! Yeah! Exactly! Yo!
Hey, did you know the scientific term for butt crack?
Oh my god!
Gluteal crease?
This is awesome!
Jim, you can't do stuff like that.
Damn! Right, you just go right through him. Oh! Here you go, this is the right castle. Uh-oh. Right, it's pointing the arrow. Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh, what? Little white boy. No, the baby! Not the baby! No! Damn! Damn! Right. God, man, you know he... Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Stop it. Get some help.
Y'all stupid for this. Y'all are stupid for this. Oh, man. The big castle. Bowser. No, not Bowser. Not yet. Of course. Damn! You on the move. Right. Alright, Bowser's castle.
Hey, I wanna ride the Yoshi.
Oh! Right, exactly what he need. Yeah. Uh-oh. You know what's coming next, though. Yeah! Oh, damn, he's dead. Damn. No, Luigi, no! That's not Luigi! No! Damn.
Wow, look at all those patrons. If you liked this, please subscribe and consider supporting the channel
Definitely
on Patreon.
subscribe, man. That was funny as crap, bro. Yo, out the gates, that stork didn't have a chair. I can Oh. Damn!
Got him.
Oh, Stork. God damn, man. That was too funny, man. I can't wait to see Donkey Kong. How y'all do with Donkey Kong? Oh, my gosh. How y'all gonna do Donkey Kong? I can't wait to see that. Post your comments down below. Let me know what you guys thought. If y'all enjoyed my reaction, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. If y'all did not, y'all know what y'all already can do. I don't care. It's TWO. We are just two. So, woo!